Hello crafters, welcome back to my channel. Hope you had a great start this year. Is your kid a big fan of Peppa Pig? Have you ever wondered how costly these doll houses are? Did you ever think about making your own Peppa Pig house or a doll house? Then you're in the right place. This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to make this beautiful yet stable Peppa Pig dollhouse from cardboard pieces of your old furniture boxes. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Let's get started. Before we begin, the first thing we need is a plan. Pause your video here if you would like to note down the measurements. For making this Peppa Pig house, I have taken two cardboard pieces. One rectangle piece which is 80 x 55 centimeters and a triangle piece which is 80 x 60 centimeters. I have taken four 80 x 25 centimeters rectangular pieces, two for the base and two for the first and second floor. Four 55 x 25 centimeters cardboard pieces for the side walls and two 60 x 25 centimeters cardboard pieces for the roof. Four 25 x 25 centimeter pieces as walls for the rooms. Any type of color papers for the walls. It can be gift wrap or chart or crepe paper, your choice. And we also need hot glue, scissors, masking tape, and also a sharp knife. Step 1. Stick together the biggest cardboard pieces, the rectangle one and the triangle one, with the help of hot glue. Apply a masking tape over it to conceal the hot glue. Glue two 80 x 25 centimeter cardboard pieces together for the bottom. It would give more stability. Repeat the same for the side wall pieces, that is the 55 x 25 centimeter cardboard pieces. On the other side, cut out a 15 x 9 centimeters piece out of the cardboard. This would be the main entrance to the house. Next step is to cut out doors on all the walls for the rooms. I have cut out 5 x 12 centimeters doors. As you can see, here is the final results after the doors are cut out. For all the open ends which would be seen once the house is done, I have covered them up using the masking tape. This is how they would look once it is done. Once the masking is done, I have tried to draw the measurements of each piece onto the backside piece, so the backside wall, for later reference. This would help me to cut out the color sheets according to the sizes. I repeated the same for the base piece. Looking at the Peppa Pig house picture, I have taken three different colors here. One for the kitchen, one for the hall, and one for the entrance corridor. On the first floor are the bedrooms. Peppa and George's bedroom with yellow color flooring. Mommy and Daddy Pig's bedroom with orange color flooring. In between is the flooring for the bathroom. Along with that, I finished covering the wall pieces for the rooms with colored sheets. Next up is coloring the side wall pieces. Similar to the previous steps, I have drawn measurements also on these pieces and covered them with colored sheets. Orange is for the corridor walls, pink is for Mommy and Daddy's bedroom, lavender is for Peppa and George's bedroom, and yellow is for the kitchen. It's now time to decorate the walls. I have started with the windows. For this, I have taken small rectangle pieces from white chart paper and glued sky blue colored squares. Similarly, decorate the rest of the walls with stickers of your choice. I have covered the back side of the side walls with yellow colored gift wrap paper and added windows onto it. Next up is the roof. For this, I have taken two 60 x 25 centimeter cardboard pieces, and on one of the cardboard piece I have cut out a small square as a window. I have covered the outside of the roof with red colored chart paper and inside with a pink color gift wrap paper. Alright, it's now time to move on to the back side piece. One side of this piece is covered with a yellow gift wrap paper, and on the other side I have used various colors to represent various rooms. Then I have decorated each of the rooms. The corridor with staircase and windows, the other rooms with windows and other decoration items. This is how it looked finally. Similarly, I have also decorated the room wall pieces. It's now time to assemble all the pieces together. I have glued together each piece starting with the base. For the top floor, I have used a dark pink colored sheet as flooring. I have used the 25 x 45 centimeters cardboard piece as a room divider for the top floor. Last step is to glue the roof. I have also glued some windows to the backside of the house. Using a thermocol piece, I quickly prepared a stove and a washing machine for the kitchen. I applied a decorative sticky tape to all the corners to cover the gaps. And the last step, a Peppa Pig title to the Peppa Pig house. Let's add it. So, dear friends, Peppa Pig house is finally ready. I have handed over it to my kids to decorate it. So dear friends, hope you like my video. Please do let me know in the comments below if I need to improve on anything. Please do subscribe to my channel to encourage me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, take care and bye.